Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is regarding the pagination part that we're gonna apply in our node project using limit and offset. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So this is basically my get call for displaying the list of customers from the database. I'm using MySQL database, and in this API only we're gonna use limit and offset to apply the pagination. So let's see how we can do that. This is my API, and now I have to take limit and offset into request.query. So for that I also have to use some default value. If the user in case doesn't enter any value for limit and offset, then by default limit will be 10 and offset I'll take it as 0, and that has to be request.query. Now here you can see in results customer.findAll is the method for displaying the list of customers. So here what I'll do, I'll take limit and will use parse int limit here. Same with offset. Yeah, fine. Now you're gonna save it. See how simple it is. And just go to Postman and let me show you. These are all the details that I have in the customer database. So I have, I think, 13 or 12 details because it is starting from ID2. So basically I have 12 details over here. So let's just apply limit and offset here. So limit is 10 and offset is by default 0. So you will see now I'll be getting all the details from ID2 to ID11. So basically there are 10 details in total. So in that way you can just apply the pagination to your API. If for example I put the limit as 20, then you can see all the details will come here. If in case I give the limit as 10 and offset as 10 too, then see from ID 12 and 13, these will be the details I'll get. So using limit and offset, it is very simple. You can apply the pagination for the API and you can get the details as much as you want in one page. So I hope it is helpful, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you have any query. Thank you.